ayan guys, ito pala yung ginawa namin ngayon. Panaflex, Panaflex body lighted siya po. Ito yung ginagawa namin. Ngayon guys, finish na siya, finish product na. Itatry natin siya kailawin. Ayan po ngayon kalabasan niya guys. Bali, wala siya para ma-update ko kayo. Ayan siya guys.
So ayan guys, sa Lunes yan i-install. Ayan siya. Ayan. Yan po yung trabaho namin. May ilaw po yan siya, lighted. Ayan yung ilaw niya sa ilalim. Hindi namin mapailaw ngayon guys kasi ano, walang power dito sa Pampanga. O ayan guys.
5 minutes later.
She had not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Pailawin mo na ba? Tingnan natin. Okay na yan.
All hands and
sige.
swore he'd take that whale.
Para matry.
Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the wellerman come to